Hello, very good day to you. Across the south we had some heavy thundery rain overnight, and there's a risk of some more thunderstorms as we go through the rest of today. But starting off looking at what happened through the early hours of this morning, and a plume of heavy thundery rain that pushed in from France brought some torrential downpours and some fairly frequent thunder and lightning for southern areas. That's now shifted away towards the west, but some lingering rain across parts of southwest Wales, southwest England as we go into the afternoon. Otherwise, across some central parts there will be some showers developing. Good chance some of these will turn heavy and thundery. Further north though, it's a drier story, and a largely sunny one too across much of Scotland, Northern Ireland and a big chunk of northern England as well. We do have some brisk blustery winds coming in from the east, and they will play a big part in how warm it's going to get. In some North Sea coastal parts where we're exposed to that easterly wind, it's going to be a little bit chilly perhaps, especially where there's some lingering cloud. Also where it's quite cloudy towards the south-southwest, temperatures a bit suppressed here. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty warm, especially in the sunshine. Temperatures widely high teens, low 20s, could be a little bit warmer than it was yesterday. In fact, we could get to highs of around 22, 23 Celsius across western parts of Scotland if we get a bit of a Föhn effect going on. As we go later on through this evening and overnight, we're going to see more frequent thundery downpours developing across central parts of England and Wales. These could cause some localised issues, so do take care if you're heading out. Watch out for some hefty downpours. Further north though, staying largely dry overnight, though a bit more cloud developing and a few showers starting to push in from the North Sea as we go through towards dawn on Friday morning. Temperatures won't drop a huge amount for many of us. Where we see some clear skies, it may turn a little fresh, but because there'll be quite a bit of cloud around for many of us, it is going to be a relatively mild start on Friday morning. But a pretty wet one across central parts of England and Wales. Some further outbreaks of rain, which could be heavy at times. Also some hefty showers pushing westwards across parts of northern England and central southern Scotland too. Could be a bit of thunder mixed in with these. As we go into the afternoon, staying pretty cloudy across many central parts of the UK. Further outbreaks of rain, which could be quite heavy for some of us, so do watch out for some further downpours. But to the north and south of this feature, it's likely to be mostly dry, and there'll be some decent sunshine around, especially across a big chunk of Scotland, but also across southern parts of England as well. It's going to be a bit brighter, a bit sunnier than it was today. And where we see the sunshine, it is still going to feel quite warm. Mid to high teens quite widely in the best of the sunshine, possibly low 20s perhaps, but it won't be quite as warm as today. In the central area where it's going to be quite cloudy and wet at times, temperatures suppressed and feeling a little bit unpleasant where we see some heavier rain. Now looking ahead to the bank holiday weekend, and there's a fair bit of uncertainty. I think we can pretty much guarantee that it is going to stay relatively unsettled. Most of us at risk of seeing some hefty showers, perhaps even some more prolonged rain for a time, but there will be some brighter weather at times, and also temperatures likely to remain a little bit above average for the time of year. Alex Deacon will have the weekend forecast available on our YouTube channel, so do check that out if you have any plans. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.